like we're on. All right, let me know if we're not on. It looks like we're on.
It looks like we're on.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, this is Clayton County Magistrate Court preliminary hearing calendar for June 22nd, 2020. I'm Judge Richard Brown. I'm going to ask the parties to make their announcements. Position number 1, State of Georgia versus Joshua Lee Adams.
Your Honor, that should be off. A waiver was done.
Okay.
That was submitted on Friday to Judge Dallas. That was with attorney Steve Fry.
Number 2, State of Georgia versus Keith Allen Landrum.
State's ready.
Your Honor, if I could have a moment to speak to my client at the appropriate time. I have he needs to give me a little guidance on what he would like to do. We have a witness that we just found about 4 days ago. I've spoken with Ms. Freeman about it. I have not been able to get in touch with that witness, so we may be asking for a continuance. It's my understanding the state's not going to object to that.
That's correct, Your Honor.
We'll stand by. All right, the next case is position 21 on my calendar, State of Georgia versus Tyree Robinson.
State's ready.
That'll be a bond waiver.
'26, State of Georgia versus Shonda Sadler.
State's ready.
Good morning, Your Honor. If I could have a moment to speak with my client, she wasn't made available to me to speak with her.
Right. Attorney Hill, you with the public defenders?
Yes, sir.
Okay. '28, State of Georgia versus Rodney Starks.
Good morning, Your Honor. That's my case. If I can pre-try that with Ms. Freeman.
All right. '33, State of Georgia versus Anthony Tucker.
State's ready.
Your Honor, the attorney on that is Mark Jackson. He hired Mark Jackson.
Okay, ask Ms. Simons, let's check on that. We'll come back to it.
That's correct. I did get an email, I believe, from him on Thursday or Friday. I'll go through my emails.
Okay, we'll check and see why he's not on. Well, we have to send, did we send it? We need to send, make sure he could receive the invite. So we'll check on that. Number 34, State of Georgia versus Cassandra Walker.
State's ready.
Your Honor, that will be a bond waiver.
'37, State of Georgia versus Jack Ray Wombles.
The state's ready. Attorney Steve Fry represents Mr. Wombles. He also has a plea this morning with Judge Carter. So he just asked that the court hold for him. And I did forward him the link.
What time did the plea calendar for Judge Carter start?
That I don't know, Your Honor. Let me text him. He just told me that he had, I know he has a plea this morning, Judge Carter, with 88 Jill Hartsfield.
Okay. Well, if it's not until 9 o'clock, he needs to get on this calendar. All right, I'll come back to it. 43, State of Georgia versus Quentin Williams.
State's ready.
That'll be a fast track.
All right. And the last case on my calendar is position 45, State of Georgia versus Breon Williamson.
State's ready.
That'll be a fast track.
All right, that completes the call of my calendar. Any name that I did not call, anybody need a clarification on the status of your case? If not, we'll stand by for Attorney Sims to check on Landrum, see if that's going to be a reset. And then everything else is going to be, has been negotiated, and we need to get the paperwork. And then a pretrial. So anyone have any questions about any case before?
Your Honor, I'm going to send Mr. Jackson the Zoom link for.
Okay.
I've already forwarded it to
Oh,
him.
you did? Okay.
Now.
Okay. And okay. Anything else from anybody? So Attorney Freeman, what's your preference? I guess this would normally be when the breakout room comes, but if not, we don't have that many cases, so I can get my, I can jump into that water later to not delay everybody as far as trying to learn the breakout room.
And I will need, I know I have 2 fast tracks. I need to get that paperwork done. And then Ms. Sims indicated, I think I need to send her the waiver on Cassandra Walker. Is that right, Melissa?
Yes, however, we're normally doing the paperwork if we're still going through Ms. D. Williams. And I
Yes.
believe Ms. Hill also needs to speak with her client as well, Your Honor.
Right.
And Judge, I did need to speak with Ms. Freeman, but I don't necessarily need a breakout room to do that. I mean, however the court wants to do it.
Mm-hmm.
And Ms. Freeman, it's a bond waiver on Robinson as well.
Robinson, okay.
All right. So Attorney Freeman, unless you advise otherwise, I'm going to go off totally and go off YouTube and allow all of this to take place. Is there something else you're going to need from me?
Not right now. What I will ask if I'm going to go off. Well, I guess attorneys can tell me what you prefer, because I need to step off so I can get paperwork ready on the ones that I know. But then there are also, I have pre-trials with some as well.
It may make more sense for you to sit and do the pre-trials real quick and then step away and we can speak with our clients. I don't have any objection to that.
Okay.
Ms. Sims is mirroring what I was going to say.
Yeah, that makes, and Judge, I guess we're still on YouTube also, so we would need to stop YouTube